Karma has been back, all set now, ready to race. Race number 5. And the race is on. 3A Karma. Fast to begin. Fuego. And moving up is Grey Magic alongside Lady Diamond by Darrell Subterranean. Janelle's Episode, Bonjour, and Angie Gray is the early trailer. Fuego by Sam 2 lengths followed by Karma. Janelle's Episode racing from the outside right by Darrell's Grey Magic. Lady Diamond Subterranean is racing 6 by Darrell. Rounding the far turn, 3A Karma is now the leader. Janelle's Episode racing from the outside. Janelle's Episode, Karma. Fuego is racing in third as they race the final corner. Janelle's Episode by half a length. Karma down on the inside. Fuego, Subterranean, Lady Diamond. And nearing the finish line, Janelle's Episode, Karma is running by Darrell. Janelle's Episode, Karma, but still Janelle's Episode this time by some 2 lengths now. And finally Janelle's Episode, 3A Karma, Lady Diamond, Bonjour, Fuego, Angie Gray, Grey Magic, and Subterranean.
Okay, crossing the wire first, entry number 7, Janelle's Episode. Pairings natin sa 1, 410, sa 2, 137, sa 3, 86, sa 4, 768, sa 5, 91, sa 6, 680. XD pairings natin